So welcome to another video of us. Today we are going to a beach near to our house. Normally people when they come to Kerala, they used to go to Kovalam beach, they used to visit Varkala beach. These are the beaches where foreigners used to come a lot. Okay, where there are huge restaurants, a huge place for tourists. But this is a quite normal place for a normal people over here. So currently we are just planning to travel to this particular area. So we'll see you the view. The name of the beach that we are going is Arikal Beach, which is around 11 to 12 kilometers from our house. And right now it's around 6 p.m. in the evening. So we thought that, the temperature will be a bit less humid, so that we can just go for an evening walk.
Yeah.
The roads here in Kerala are completely different, okay? Not like another northern part of India where you see roads with all kind of patchwork on it.
Yeah.
But here the roads in Kerala are really nice. This is just an inside road. It's not a national highway. It is not a main road or anything. This is a road which just goes to the inside part of the village.
And now the best view, we will show you the best view where you will be able to see beach on your left hand side.
Yeah, the way that we are going is on the right side will be the ocean and on the left side it's the river.
Yeah, and there are many people, many tourists who doesn't know about this location also. Most of them, as Amlo said, they travel to Kochi beach or to Trivandrum, Varkala or Kovalam. But this is also one of the best beaches which I have visited.
So like normally they know about like Amrita Ayurveda Hospital and Ayurveda Medical College and all. So this Amrita Ashram located in that particular area. Look at the roads over here.
Some construction work going on here.
Yeah, roads are broadened, but you can never see these kind of roads in other part of
North India.
Other part of India.
Oh, wow.
It's all about greenery, and that is the lake.
Yeah, that's a lake.
And it's getting cloudy. The weather is really getting better. And this is the temple, Arikal temple. There are two temples. One is on opposite side of the road, next to the seashore, and next over here, Arikal temple. And this is the place where my father have done the roof construction. And this comes the ocean.
Yes.
Arabian Sea. This is the Arabian Sea.
Yeah.
Look at the clouds.
Look at the clouds.
Normal people, like old people, they used to come during evening time to the temple, and they all sit together and do gossip over here. This is the best place for that. All the old age people's meet a place. Roads are really nice.
And in 2004, this place was destroyed during tsunami
Yes, the most affected area.
here in Kollam.
This was the most affected area where people were being buried in the same place together, because the dead bodies were huge. There was a big loss over here,
During tsunami 2004.
and they have made a big I'm not sure which one exactly. We have been here several times because we always come here in the evening time for a walk here. Children are playing football over here. Nice place. See, it's been completely covered with net. The waves are really strong today. Look at the view, and this is my village. And it started raining. Yeah. Wow. I always love this. Rain, 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 come away, do not go away. I'm not sure whether we will be able to get down over there or not, but yeah, this was the best thing. Look at the clouds, it's full cloudy. It's okay. Always this weather, a cup of chai.
And this route is like a scenic route.
Yeah.
I enjoy this.
Normally
drive.
people from here, we always go to Wayanad, Ooty, all these high range areas and main beaches which are really crowded. But these are areas where tourists are very less.
Yeah. You won't find too much of a crowd here.
Yeah.
And that's what we too enjoy. We don't like much crowded areas.
Since the Amrita ashram is here, you can see foreigners over here because there are so many foreigners are here who lives there. Devotees of Amritanandamayi.
I've closed the beaches.
Since these are tsunami affected area, majorities of the houses have gone from very few houses you can see. Rough waves. Even though it's cloudy, it's cloudy and it's bright, right? അപകട മേഖല സൂക്ഷിച്ചു പോവുക, ഡ്രൈവ് സേഫ്ലി, ഡേഞ്ചറസ് സോൺ.
ഇത് എന്ത് ചിഹ്നം അമലുപുരം?
കമ്മ്യൂണിസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടി.
നല്ല റോഡ് അറിയാം.
If they really, develop this area based on infrastructure, right, it will lose the beauty of this. See, playing and rain. This is Kerala.
This is Kerala, Habibi.
Habibi, come to Kerala.
If you want to enjoy nature, come to Kerala. Don't
Yes.
go to Dubai. It's hot.
Yes, come to Kerala. You will enjoy mountain, water, everything,
All different type of climates you will enjoy.
and all different kind of landscape too.
Yeah. Look at that view. Wow.
We'll go to the end. There are a lot of raises.
It rises up. Rises up. Yeah.
And the waves also gets worse. The sun is about to set. The sun. Man, I don't know. Cow. The cow. Even the cow have a freedom here. Do you think in UAE cows have freedom? No.
But they are being taken care far better in UAE than here.
But freedom is something that you can't get it when you are being under a cage.
Who knows they
okay?
would have a freedom there. We don't know, so we can't,
No. I believe in freedom, okay?
Who knows, they would have their own freedom. They have their own shelter. Here many cows doesn't have even shelter also. So we can't comment on that.
Come on.
Hey, read it. Do you see the wow? A small house, eh?
Yeah. It's beautiful here.
Beautiful.
And see the view is the sea. These are to avoid Allama. Mangrove to avoid to resist the tsunami. Straight again. Oh my god, look at that ice cream parlor. This is a newly constructed bridge, so
which
that you
will
know
take you to another.
this is
beach side.
Arikel Beach. Yeah,
That is Wadi Arikel Beach.
Arikel Bridge. It avoids this big traffics in the main road.
Hey, looks
Look
like
at that.
it's a tourist now started coming here.
There are so many food court and all. Okay, Tasty Village, restaurant. Nice, not bad. Because this will be an amazing place for
Yeah,
sure.
this will be.
Because now currently it's very. Oh, this is the end, right? Yeah. We reached there.
Where will we park our vehicle?
Somewhere here. 30 rupees parking charge. So we parked our car there and we came. This is the bridge. Come, let's walk that side.
Welcome to Arikel Beach. So this is the beach we were talking about. One of the hidden gems, to be honest. And it's good to see that there are a lot of people here now. Last time I guess we came in 2022. The crowd was not much. But today is weekend also, and I believe these all are local crowds. And it is one of the beautiful beaches which you will find here in Kerala. Chai kada. Wow. Chai cha matra kanda. Okay, nothing is pakoda vendu.
രണ്ട് മുളക് ബജിയും കിട്ടണേ.
അതേത് ഭാജിയാണ്?
ഇത് ഉള്ളി അത് കോളിഫ്ലവർ. गरम chai with onion pakoda.
गोभी पकोड़ा बहुत ही मस्त है. It's really crispy and really tasty. People who are traveling to Arikel Beach should try this dhaba, a local dhaba here. तो यहाँ पे सब बीचेस की तरह यहाँ पे नॉर्मल स्टॉल्स वगैरह आपको मिलेंगे सब कुछ. ये आइसक्रीम की दुकान, इधर भेलपूड़ी गोलगप्पे वगैरह बेच रही है, और ये वाली दुकान है जो फुल भरा हुआ है. लेट्स गो टू दैट साइड.
हवा भी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. हाँ अपने भी कितने शायद है. Once we reach here, right, I wanted to take the full video of this particular area, but after seeing this view and enjoying the breeze, it's really hard to take videos and walk around. Just feel like, you know, being still here and just enjoy the weather and small food items which has been available. It's a nice, beautiful area. It is a weekend, so because of that, it's too crowded today, and it's an amazing weather.
So this was Arikal Beach, which is one of the hidden gems, which not many tourists who visits Kerala doesn't know about this place. Yeah, it's been a little late that we came here. Hopefully, you know, we should, and hopefully people, those who are watching, they will come to know about this beach also.
So we are winding up from here. It's been 7:20 right now. So since we have to go back home and its street lights are very less in this particular area, we just thought to wind up and leave. Okay,
so those people who are watching this video, they can put Arikal Beach in their bucket list. So the next time when you guys are traveling to Kerala,
do visit this place.
Visit this place also. It is one of the best place to visit, especially if you have a car to drive next to the ocean. It is a wonderful feeling. You guys will enjoy it.
Yeah, because I am not sure about all these kind of a private.
No, you get private bikes here to rent.
Okay.
You can rent a bike, and then you can ride your bike to the Arikal Beach. So that's all from the Arikal Beach. We will be showing a few more places.
Wishing to go to new other places in the coming up days.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.